Kind of grew up working on stuff my whole life, helping Dad fix stuff around the farm. Kind of just always liked to tinker around with stuff at home, had a niche for it. And then a guy came to our high school and told me about WyoTech and what it was all about, and that's what got me interested here. I liked how it was only 9 months school. The sooner I can get out of school, the faster I'll be able to make money. One of the big pros of WyoTech was the price compared to a 4-year school. Since I'm paying for school on my own, I couldn't exactly afford a 4-year school. I didn't want to take out that big of a loan either. WyoTech's pricing is very doable for someone like me and for a lot of people. The amount of job opportunities that are here and the amount of people at the career fair was just mind-boggling. And they are looking for technicians. The need for technicians right now is what I feel the most it's ever been in America. I've always heard that WyoTech has many employers that are looking for employees, but I didn't realize how big of a deal it was at that job fair. Walking in there and seeing the endless opportunities and employers that are looking for technicians, it was very reassuring and made me happy that I came to WyoTech. You won't leave this school without getting a job. It's 9 months of your life that you won't regret.